I'm a bit sort of confused as to what I'm supposed to be doing. I've been told I should come here to the Cerebral Palsy Centre in Johor because there's something going on. But nobody's told me what's going on or who I'm supposed to see. Or at least, perhaps they did tell me, but I've completely forgotten. And so here I am, and I'm wandering around looking completely lost. And I have no idea who I can say told me to come here and cover something. Anyway, it's supposed to be all about making cupcakes. Yeah. So I'm not quite sure what that means. We'll find out, I guess. Let's take a look in here. Hello. Yes. Oh, right. Yes, I'm. Oh, hello. Right.
Okay, now we have they have break time.
Oh, right. Yes, I
Yeah.
I was going to say I'm supposed to be here. What was it? You're making cupcakes today.
Okay.
Yes, and I'm supposed to be doing a vlog for to cover it. There you can see everybody says hello here. Oh, right. Yes. Hi.
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 How are you? You early, yeah?
Yeah, apparently I'm early, yes, for a change. I was not intending to be early, but I had no idea what time anything was going on.
We're supposed to start at 10:30.
Right.
We're just going to do a bit of setup here and there, and then...
Chefs have come down from KL in order to do this. They've come down and they're working with the Red Crescent, and they're also doing stuff here at the Cerebral Palsy Institute. And they've come down and they're going to show people how to cook and make cakes here. Fun? Oh, yes, I believe so. Looks like it.
It's the fun part.
Yes. Just a sugar overload.
Okay, hi, my name is Song. We have a catering company called Chef on Wheels. We have been here in JB for the past week, and we are working with the Red Crescent, distributing food to the B40s. And today we are here, we have a bit of time. Today we are here teaching the kids here how to do some cake decos, decorating the cakes and all that.
These are the sponsors. Because it's so small, you can put it in your pocket. It's very useful. Well, well, there you go. We decorated, I say we, they decorated some cakes, and I don't know what they're going to do with them. Take them home to their parents so that their parents can lose all their teeth from